Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.